Behind every piece of flawless jewelry lies a process of precision. Perfection isn't optional, it's expected. Hi, I'm Akhil Tony Taliyat, Managing Director of Orbit Diamonds. We specialize in high-end diamond jewelry where every design counts and every setting must be perfect. Recently, we started using the Form 4 printer with the Formlabs new Cast Resin, and the results have been amazing. The print speed is remarkable. It is 3 to 4 times more faster than our earlier workflows. And the detail on these parts is exactly what we require for intricate pave or solitaire settings. The new Cast Resin has totally changed the game for us. It is reliable, clean, and produces prints beautifully. Smooth surfaces, low ash content, and no issues with expansion. We have done multiple castings with thicker rings and pendants, and the outcomes have been consistently excellent. As a diamond jewelry manufacturer, precision is just not a benefit, it's critical. Whether it is prong alignment or stone fit, we need our base models to be exact. Form 4 and the Cast Resin has truly helped us in achieving this. With the Form 4 and the Cast Resin, we can confidently move from print to polish without compromise. We are proud to blend cutting-edge 3D print with craftsmanship for fine jewelry. For anyone in this space, I strongly recommend Form 4 and the Cast Resin combo. It's fast, accurate, and built for results.